Ka District Child Protection Unit Shongkha East and West Khasi Hills District Mairang ka Pynlong ka program sam Jingtip da ka bapun lejing mod ha ka banyada ya ka Shongkha Khynnah bad Halor ka Iron Protection of Children from Sexual Offences lane ka Pocso Act 2012 kani ka program ka thmu ban panchai ki nong yashimenta Halor ki mat ki baide bat ka jingeda ki khulung Khynnah khamta me ka Shongkha Khynnah bat ya ki kindon ne da ha po ka Iron Pocso ya kani ka program na Pynlong Hatirot Singh Memorial Hall ha Pindeng Umyong Mairang Kiriu Shampang Nagatran District Medical and Health Office DMHO District Hub for Empowerment of Women Dcpu but Nagatran Pulit Kilaidon Lang ha kani kasngi banya sam lem ye ki Jingtip ki bakongsan
Khynnah katong kanikaan Pocso Act ko mo bayan hidup bidang ko kasnang bidang consider kakideni Khynnah di kapili ko Pocso Act kadai kaan kapag pergi kapag ka di wanpai hari isi ni baru pun hari siap kumpul jadi Khynnah kamtam Khynnah mentai di siap kumpul tolong kelak belum kepentingan sexual assault dan kelak belum sexual harassment dan kelak belum begini di berkom apa ni lagi kebakar jadi bakul kita jingle video kita pergi ke video kita bakal kita kata lihat nak buat jadi kumpul orang ini dia ni sini kita register case yang buat jadi kan generation jadi video dibayar kemudian kita Shongkha Khynnah buat pasal kemudian sini register buat jadi kan Pocso Act. Beti Bachao is how means to save the girl child and educate the girl child. Government ban menang start yang Khynnah mentai, ban pacu kumur ban ai jela yang Khynnah mentai. Tiga ni scheme kepada baik tangki Khynnah mentai ban ini long name. Di apa tu scheme? Another scheme is a flagship scheme of the government of India started in 2015. Along with the issue of empowerment of girls and women over the life cycle continuum, in Meghalaya, DCP was implemented in Pynlong district. First, it was implemented in Pynlong district since 2015, whereas in East Coastal district it was implemented in the year 2018. And in 2023, the Ministry of Women and Child Development Government of India has extended the DCP scheme to all districts of Meghalaya under this Mission Shakti scheme. So this BBP it comes under the Mission Shakti scheme.